Alright guys, final thing for me to open while I'm here at my dorm. Get to go back this weekend, a week break off of school, so that's going to be pretty awesome. Gonna get some more duels at locals, buy some more stuff, get the Gates of the Underworld structure decks. Hope you guys watched all my other pack openings. Amazing Gold Series 4, that was so sick. 3 BLSs, oh my god, I was so happy. Only wanted one. I was like, okay, maybe I can get one BLS. A few Doom Cows. Alright, I'll shut up. I'll stop talking about that. But, wind up ZenMaister. I know I opened, like, a lot of the Wave 110s. You guys are probably really bored of it. But, you know, I was like, couldn't resist. Just get one more. Who knows? Maybe I might get one more of this and one more Leviathan. And probably not open it. Because I just want to save it, you know. Because, like, Wave 1s. I don't know. Maybe sentimental, I don't know, but yeah, and I'll get Wave 2 and I'll do openings on that for you guys as well. Those of you who are curious what I could pull, the promos, here we go. I don't think I pulled anything good from the ZenMaister 2 before. Oh god, sweaty hands. Okay. What is an Xyz monster? Or as I used to call it, XYZ. Here we have the promos. Wind up ZenMaister. I can just show you guys the promos because I have a pile of promos here. Okay, this is the Leviathan promos. Sorry, I'll get past all these. So yeah, the promos would be right here. It'd be Wind Up ZenMaister. Then you would get Archlord Krista, Neo Parshaf, the Sky Paladin, and Hero Gaia. Look how beast that guy looks. Like, eat my fist. No, sorry. Alright, boosters. The Hidden Arsenal. I don't like Hidden Arsenal for boosters at all because I've gotten such crappy cards. Alright. Storm of Ragnarok. I should get a towel or something, wipe my hands. Oh my god. Ew, I've never gotten this card. Divine Wind of Mist Valley, Needle Ball, Token Stampede, Blackwing Column of the Haze, and a Nordic Relic Guggener. I don't know how to pronounce that, but that's cool. I didn't get that before. A Valkyrie of the Nordic Ascendant, Legendary 6 Siren Mizuho, and Karakuri Kashkashe, and Bloodsucker. Interesting. Cards I haven't gotten before. That's pretty cool. Second Storm of Ragnarok. I'm just gonna wipe my hands. Come on, give me something good. Nordic Relic, Brisingamen, I don't know how to pronounce it, Scrap Shark, Karakuri Gold Dust, how do you say this? Lijosof of the Nordic Alfar, I don't know. Crap, I have to focus this as well. A Symphonic Warrior Plano, Sheehan Scheme, Blackwing Bristolt the Tailwind, Garmer of the Nordic Beasts, and Token Stampede. Interesting cards. And let's open Hidden Arsenal for us. Alright, let's get those over with. No. Come on. Can do it. No, I'm just gonna cut the top off. Alright. Okay, so we have a, ooh, I've never seen this, Warlock of the Ice Barrier, or actually I've never pulled it. Gen X Ally Chemister, Gen X Ally Crusher, Naturia Mantis, and a General Rifle of the Ice Barrier. Cool. I'm just gonna cut this one as well. Okay, so for this one we have Naturia Ladybug, Naturia Ragweed, Gen X Ally Volcanon, Dragoony Javelin, and a... Woo! Oh my god! TRISHULAAAA! Oh my god, I felt fake for a moment, like, flipping that over, I was like, no way! Oh my god! Oh, wow. Oh my god. Maybe I do like Hidden Arsenal 4, but wow. TRISHULAAAA, Dragon of the Ice Barrier. Finally pulled you from all the little Hidden Arsenal 4 packs. Little tin openings. I was like, oh god, Hidden Arsenal 4, I'll never get TRISHULAAAA. And bought a TRISHULAAAA when I got, started building my deck. It was a first edition one, so this isn't first edition, but wow. Hell yeah, I got a TRISHULAAAA, guys. 3 BLS, TRISHULAAAA for my tin, Effect Veiler for my collector's tin. Oh my gosh. Great weekend. Hopefully it'll be like this for the other stuff I opened, but let's get a little close up in better light. Look at that. Sorry guys. People are probably in my dorm were like, what the heck? Some guy just like screamed in his room or something. What the hell is he doing? Opens the door. What the hell? He's opening Yu-Gi-Oh cards. Alright, so with Extreme Victory, no tour guide probably. Well, yeah, most likely no tour guide. I don't even want to talk about it. Maybe I can get a TG Rush Rhino. TG Jet Falcon, Power Up Adapter, ESP Amplifier. Look at this guy. It's like a green tiger. This looks old too. Gladiator Beast Tigerius. Soundproofed? Oh, what the heck is this? Oh, it's an Ultra. Blackwing Kogarashi the Wanderer. Nice. That was an awesome tin though. And a Resonant Destruction, Mechlord Army of Steel, and Red Carpet. So, as I said before, that was a really good week for me. Got my Yu-Gi-Oh mail, posted that up. Yeah, Gold Series 4, 3 BLSs, all those other gold rares. Oh my, that was awesome. But dang, look, I got my first TRISHULAAAA. It's not first edition, but wow. Guess that's one of the most excited reactions I've had. So yeah, sorry if I talk too much in my videos. At least that's better off. When I first started, I was kind of quiet, but maybe there's not that many people that watch my videos, but subscribe if you haven't. It'd be great to know that other people are liking my videos and they want to stay updated so I can post more. But yeah, I mean, let me know if you guys have any suggestions, if you guys want me to open anything. Hopefully I get some more crazy reactions. But yeah, what does this guy do? I'm gonna read this on my camera. When a face-up Blackwing monster you control is destroyed by a card effect and sent to the graveyard, you can special summon this card from your hand. When you synchro summon using this card as a synchro material monster, your opponent cannot activate card or effects. It's Tuner. It's Ultra. Yeah, cha. But yeah, I mean, that was a cool tin. All those random cards. Let's go swoop by. Look at all this other stuff I have out. My Dark Magician girl. Look at her. Her little Valkyrias too, or however you guys pronounce it. Bam! These pretty good condition too. The case is just like, the case just looks like it's all bent up, so that's not the card. Wait, am I covering it because it's not first edition? No, it is first edition. Magician's Force 2, secret rare. Oh my god. Yep, and then we got the Magician's Valkyria Ultra Super. Yeah, I mean, got my Only Tengu right there, my Birdman, God cards. Look at this right here. So, coming back into the game, I just had like all the older cards. You know, most of them were banned, or other stuff is just hard to get out or hard to play against people. And then I was like, you know, Synchro monsters were really new to me, and Xyz monsters. I have to admit, I did not like Xyz at all. Like when I heard that Yu-Gi-Oh, like when I walked in the store and I walked by the aisle, I was like, whoa, what the heck? There's like a black background card. I was like, oh, that's it, game over. You know, like, oh, Yu-Gi-Oh is dead. But you know, I misjudged it. I had no idea what I was thinking. I had no idea, you know, what I was even talking about. So I'm just telling you guys how I felt about it, and it's amazing now that I have that many synchro monsters and Xyz monsters. I mean, those are not the synchro and Xyz monsters. Not all of them are there. I mean, most of the better ones are in my deck itself. But look at that pile. It's like grown. Like, let's grab this real quick. Look at all these synchros. I was like watching 5Ds. I was like, oh my god. Synchros are cool. When will I own one? And then bam, look at all these. They're not the greatest, but I'm just really happy staring at this pile. It's like all synchros. Whoa. Junk Berserker, Majestic Red Dragon, Nitro Warrior. Oh, I'm not gonna read it. Just stare at it, guys. Stare at my crappy synchros. I love these cards right here. Love them. Because, you know, 5D main character cards. I was like, I want a Stardust Dragon. Where can I get it? Google, YouTube. Oh, tins. Okay. Bought some tins. Did some openings. And that's what, you know, started, you know, me getting back into Yu-Gi-Oh! It's really fun. So, yeah. All these. Oh, my God. Look at this Junk Warrior. The army of them. And then the commons. Some of my more recent ones. Bam. Most of them are crappy, it's whatever. Oh, they're slipping. No. Okay. That was the synchros. And Xyz, not too much. Maybe the size will increase when I Photon Shockwave, you know. Terabytes. Leviathan, Ghost Rares. Look, you can see my camera. But yeah, it's pretty decent. And then you got the Army of Secret Tin ones. And then you got the ZenMaisters and the Gachis and Greenosaurus. I have one more Wind Up and Leviathan besides the little promo pack right here that I just got from the tin. Letting my cousin use that. But yeah, I mean, yeah, you know, I have my old and new cards scattered everywhere. You know, you got my Ultra Gemini Elves, got the new tin promos and effect there's things in it. Yeah, I'm just being annoying right now. Just stop watching this if you guys don't want to watch anymore, but I'm just going around my little pile that I have everywhere. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Do a close-up on this if you guys want to see this. Okay, let's go through this really quick too. Duality. I have 3 dualities in my deck, so these are just the rest of the cards I don't even put in a deck. Oh, I should put this, huh? Look at that. Some rares, a lot of supers, ultras. I don't really have too many ultis or anything. Look at these. There's rares. And traps. And then I'll end the video so you guys don't have to watch this crap anymore. But wow, TRISHULAAAA. What an amazing like pull for me. Traps done. Just put that up here. Magic cylinder, secret. I love Scrap Iron Scarecrow. It's like, you say it was like using it. He's all like, and it goes back down. I'm like, what? No way. Looked up the card. Like, you know, the whole time I was watching like 5Ds, like every time he named a card, you know, or I thought like it was cool, I wanted to look it up, and I was like, wow, you know. It's like, yeah, Mirror Force, Starlight Road. I'll add my other one from my effect veil is right there. It's really blurry, but I have a Starlight Road under her. She's on the road. Magical hats. Love this. Classic. Remember watching as a kid, like Yugi, no, the Pharaoh. Played that, and you know. But yeah, look at the mess. Imagine someone walking in here, like, what the heck? Like, yeah, no one at my like university plays Yu-Gi-Oh, so I'm pretty lonely up here, you know. Have this like huge collection of crap, or not crap, just cards that I really like. You know, I love looking at the artwork, old, new, whether it's crappy or not. I mean, like this. Look at this pile. Like, I had this in my binder. Like, they're just like really cute. I mean, I'm not to be creepy with the girls, but and some I just want to draw on. But yeah, thank you for watching. Very historical for me. TRISHULAAAA. Awesome. 3 BLSs, all my other gold rares, and alright, enough talking. See you guys later.